One of the easiest ways to make lunch packing faster is to stop thinking about every lunch as a separate meal. Instead, start with a handful of ingredients your family already eats, use a few leftovers from dinner, and mix and match them throughout the week. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm using ham, cheese, fruit, veggies, hard-boiled eggs, and a couple of leftovers to pack 5 different lunches without making completely different meals. So let's start with Monday. This is a simple ham and cheese sandwich with apple slicers and peanut butter for dipping. It's a classic lunch that comes together in just a couple of minutes, and pairing the apples and the peanut butter helps make it a little more filling. If you need to bulk this up, add fruit and a snack on top of that. For Tuesday, I'm using street taco tortillas from dinner to make these ham and cheese tacos. Using smaller tortillas is a fun way to change things up without buying anything extra. Cherry tomatoes and apple slices on the side. Need more? Send a yogurt too. By the way, if making lunches is a struggle, make sure to grab my free printable lunchbox builder in the description below. It'll help you pack healthy lunches in about 5 minutes using ingredients you already have. Wednesday's lunch is one of my favorites because it puts leftovers to work. I saved some extra pasta from dinner to make a simple pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, cheese, pepperoni. I'm just tossing it in a little olive oil and salt, and that's good to go. On the side, it's a hard-boiled egg for extra protein, and I'm gonna bulk it up with some fruit and you're set. Now, this is a completely different meal than we had at dinner, but it only takes a minute or two to put it together. Thursday keeps things really simple with ham, cheese, crackers, and more hard-boiled eggs for protein. These snack-style lunches are always a favorite because kids can eat everything a little at a time, and they're easy to customize with whatever you have on hand. You can bulk this up with some Greek yogurt in a thermos and you're set. For Friday, I'm sending a hot lunch of leftover mac and cheese in a thermos with carrots and ranch for dipping. Some strawberries are packed on the side. Packing leftovers in a thermos is one of my favorite ways to keep lunch interesting. So make sure to watch my video on how I heat it up and keep it hot until lunch. The biggest takeaway is that packing 5 different lunches does not mean a long grocery list. You just choose a few proteins, fruits, vegetables, and snacks your family already enjoys, and then use leftovers from dinner to create a little variety throughout the week. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and if making mealtimes easier for your family sounds good to you, you're in the right place. Here I share practical kitchen tips, family favorite recipes, and yes, the very best pancakes. All in quick videos that get right to the point, and I love for you to subscribe.